Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So it's a pretty slow day in the salon today. January can sometimes be like that. So I took my little bit of time that I had free and went and picked up some supplies, some beauty products, and I just thought since I had some time that I would share that with you guys. So I went to my local beauty supplier, Maritime Beauty. That's where I get the majority of my work supplies. They have a 3-day sale every month, so I always try to make it in for that sale if they've got some stuff for me. So they did have on my Breeza Liquid Bond. I guess it's called Breeza Bond now. Like 10 years ago it was called Liquid Bond. Anyways, so that's the bonder. I always pick one up when they go on sale. I don't go through a ton of it, but it's the only product I use for gel nails that's actually like a full like liquid, and it's also like the one thing that I always knock over and just spill everywhere on my table. So I always make sure I have at least one extra of these on hand. I think I have one extra in my bin in my drawer, but I think the one I'm using is right down to the bottom. So I picked up an extra, and I also picked up an extra just clear. I usually get the big pots. They were on in December. I got one then, but when the little pots go on, I always pick up an extra because you can't have too much gel. I use that on everybody. A lot of sirens going by today. I'm right on the main drag at my salon, so if there's like ambulances or fire trucks, like I hear about it. They also had on sale the wax that I like to use, so I like the Epilus wax. I've been using this wax since school, so like 13 years. It's my favorite wax. It's a little bit more expensive, but I find with the Epilus wax it adheres like more to the hairs than the skin, so you don't get the same amount of redness that you get from the more inexpensive waxes. So this was on sale, so I picked up an extra can, and then I always grab like a fistful of the wax collars. I swear they don't mind that I do that. They tell me to do that, so that when one gets all gummed up, I can just change it. If you guys watched my salon tour video that I posted this week, you probably noticed that my wax pot was really dirty. So I'll usually pick up a few of these and I'll change the colors on my wax cans, and then I'll clean the pot off. So I've got time today, so I promise I'll do that. So I got some wax, and then I got some hair care products that were either on sale or I just needed. So I got a tube of the All Soft Heavy Cream. My hair is so dry. It's winter. It's very cold here. So my hair gets really like crisp. I did just have like 4 inches cut off my hair, but it's still feeling a little dry. So I picked up the All Soft Heavy Cream. That's just like a rinse out treatment. It's one of my favorites. Makes my hair really soft. I picked up this Redken No Blow Dry Just Right cream. So this is for medium hair. They have one for fine and they have one for coarse. I've never tried this before, but I very rarely blow dry my hair. I almost never blow dry my hair unless, like, normally I wash my hair at nighttime and I let it air dry, and then in the morning I just curl like the ends so that it's not so fuzzy. But this is made specifically to put in your hair and not blow dry it, so I thought I'd give it a try. I usually just use like a basic like curl cream, and I saw there's somebody on my Instagram that was using this, and she was like braiding her hair before bed when it was wet with this in it, and it looked beautiful in the morning. So I love to do that. I love low maintenance. My hair almost always looks exactly the same. I just do variations on the same thing. I am not a hairdresser. And then I just picked up a Biolage Hydrosource shampoo. So this is just like a hydrating shampoo for dry hair. I buy a lot of like the duo sets, like shampoo and conditioners, in December when they all go on in the holiday packs. I usually pick up like 2 or 3 shampoo and conditioner sets, but I use like twice the shampoo that I use of conditioner. I know a few people do it the opposite way, but I could buy like a liter of shampoo and then this size conditioner, and it would probably run out at the same time. So I have all these like half bottles of conditioner at home. So this was on sale on the 3-day sale, so I thought, well, I'll pick up a shampoo and then I can use up all my half bottles. So that's the weird story of my life. So that was my little Maritime Beauty haul. And then I also this morning when I was doing my makeup, I ran out of my Clinique Acne Solutions foundation, so I rushed out to get another bottle of that because I have a little party starting on my chin, so I can't be without it. And I had enough Optimum points. I think this is about $37 or something like that, and I had $30 in Optimum points, so I got that. And I always get number 2, which is the, I think, Fresh Ivory. Yeah, Fresh Ivory. So I get number 2 I could do like number 1 in the winter and then number 3 in the summer. So I get number 2 and I use it year round, and then I change out my powder. I go a little lighter in the winter and a little darker in the summer. That way I can have one foundation that does me sort of year round. I don't like having all these open bottles of things. So that's my Clinique Acne Solutions foundation. And then the other thing that I ran out of this morning was primer. I had been using the e.l.f. primer. It's the green bottle. It's the one that's for, I think it's called Blemish Control primer. So it's the one that has a little bit of salicylic acid in it. I really liked it. It was really inexpensive, but it ran out really fast. Like I got that maybe a month or 2 ago. Whenever I posted my 5 cheap beauty finds video, I had only had it then for like a week. So it definitely didn't last that long. So, I mean, the price point is good, but as far as like how many ounces you get, I don't think you get that much. So, I was going to Shoppers for my Clinique and I can't get e.l.f. there. So I decided to try the Physicians Formula Insta Ready face primer. I have always had really good luck with Physicians Formula as far as, you know, dealing with my acne. I almost exclusively use their powders, so I figured the primer might be okay. I did read the ingredients because I was looking at all the other sort of drugstore primers. I don't want to spend $40 on a primer. I'm sorry, you guys. Like, I just don't. I don't want to buy, like, I'm sure, I know the Smashbox one is really nice, and I know, you know, Urban Decay has a nice one. Like, I know that they have nice ones, but I already spend $40 on this. I don't want to spend $40 on a primer. So this was $17.99. So I thought I'd give it a whirl, and I did read the ingredients, and there's no talc in it. The CoverGirl one I read did have talc in it, which is weird. Why is there talc in a liquid primer? That makes no sense to me. But anyway, I'm going to try this one. I'll let you guys know. I'm also on the hunt for a new inexpensive eyebrow pencil, so I'll probably do another cheap beauty finds video in the next month or so, and if this is any good, I'll make sure to feature it in that. So that's my little haul for today. That's all I got. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Anyways, if you guys like this, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more makeup related videos, probably coming this week and next week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.